All right, this is the example 3.9 video. So we have some events here, and we want to find out if they are independent of each other, so they have no impact on each other. So G is taking a math class, and H is a science class, and G and H would be both classes together, or a math class and a science class, not at the same time, but just taking them. So the probability of a math class is 0.6, 60%. Probability of a science class is 0.5, 50%. And the probability of somebody's taking science or math and science would be 30%, 0.3. We want to find out if they're independent events. And we can calculate this just by looking at the probabilities. So to find out if events are independent, we just need to show one of the following. Probability of math given science is just is equal to the probability of math. So science would have no impact, no impact on that situation. Probability of science given math is the probability of science. And another way we could do it is the probability of math and science is equal to the probability of math times probability of science. So we're going to use each of those and show how all of them actually work for the situation. So here you get to choose. You get to pick which one, and it depends on which information you have. We have a lot of information here, so we'll show all three. So the first one will show the probability of math given science is equal to the probability of math. So to find the probability of math given somebody's in a science class, we take our formula for given, which we worked on last week. It's the probability of math and science divided by the probability of just the science. So remember, we're looking at that Venn diagram. We're looking at just that science section. We're looking at just the people who are in math within that science section. So probability of science, as they gave us up top, was 0.5. And the probability of math and science is 0.3. And if we take those 0.3 divided by 0.5, look at that. It works out exactly to give us 0.6, which is the probability of math class. So that worked. And if that works, boom, we're done. They're independent. We can do it another way, though. We can show that probability of this one's the easier one. Probability of G and H is equal to the probability of math times science. So we go ahead and just take all three numbers. They give us all three of these, and we just plug them in. So we plug in 0.3, or let's do this part first. The probability of math is 0.6. Probability of science is 0.5, and we just take 0.6 times 0.5, 0.3. And which happens to be convenient, that is our probability of G and H. So 0.3. So it worked. These two equal each other, and we've proven that one works. So therefore, math and science are independent. They don't have an impact on each other. And then you can go through and prove that last one if you wanted to. This solution doesn't go through it, so I won't go through it either. All right, bye.